Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a take profit on Delta Exchange. And if you want to do this, the first step that you need to do is create yourself an account. It sounds simple, and if you don't have any idea how to do that, check out the previous videos that I created. Then after that, you need to go right here to the spot trading option. So if you go right here to more and select spot, you will find right here the chart. And the most important part, the order panel on the right. So right now, when we arrived right here on the order panel, we can decide right here buy long or sell short. So we can decide which one we want to use. And then if you click right here on maker only, we need to change this right here to a take profit market or a take profit limit. So you can decide which one you want to choose. I want a directly order. So I choose right here the market order. So right now we can fill in right here a trigger price. So decide for yourself what you want to do, but you can fill in right here the trigger price. And then you can fill in right here the quantity that you want to create the take profit order on. So fill that in. Then afterwards you can click right here on the blue button. And there's a little side note because you need to verify your account. I didn't do that, but once you verified your account, you can click right here on the button to buy yourselves the take profit position. So this is how you can take profit on Delta Exchange. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.